Good afternoon and welcome to Phil Weaver Automotive, situated in Merebrow near Preston. Today we are delighted to offer you this Mercedes-Benz C-Class, which is the C220 BlueEfficiency Executive SE. It's the 2.2 diesel auto, which has the 7-speed auto gearbox. The car was registered in June 2012. It has just shy of 68,000 miles. It's a two-owner vehicle. It's finished in Palladium Silver with the Black Artico leather. The car has 4 Mercedes-Benz services and 1 independent, which is the one that we have just carried out. And the car is MOT'd until October 2019. Additional options on this car are the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, and also has the NAVI box pre-installation, which means it will take the Becker nav unit, so you have the full satellite navigation system. Standard features: power tailgate, auto lights, parking sensors front and rear. It's got the auto wipers, Bluetooth hands-free facility, 16-inch alloy wheels, climate control, cruise control, just to name a few of the features on this car. But one of the roomiest cars in its class, very practical, and what's more, it offers a very swish look, strong image and very classy interior with lots of luxury and safety kit. And with the efficient diesel engine, it also means it's affordable to run, and in our opinion, it's a cracking all-rounder. We've even thrown in some of the Phil Weaver Automotive carpet mats. Into the rear of the car. Nice Black Artico leather. Lovely finish. The piano black inlays, the doors and on the dash. 67,748 is the exact mileage. If you'd like any further information, please give us a call on 01772 396 528, or feel free to call me on the mobile at any time, 07817 463 888, or for further information please visit our website philweaverautomotive.co.uk. Thanks very much.